Hedra AI versus HeyGen. Which AI avatar generator is better? Choosing the right AI avatar tool can transform your content creation without complicated setups. Hedra AI offers advanced customization, while HeyGen focuses on user-friendly accessibility. Hedra AI and HeyGen are leading AI avatar generators, but they differ in approach. Hedra AI emphasizes detailed avatar customization and realistic outputs, while HeyGen prioritizes ease of use and quick avatar generation for fast content production. Hedra AI is a powerful AI avatar generator designed for creators who want detailed control over their avatars. It uses advanced AI models to generate highly realistic avatars with customizable facial features, expressions, and movements. The platform integrates smoothly with content workflows, allowing users to fine-tune avatars for videos, presentations, or virtual assistants. Hedra AI's strength lies in its ability to produce lifelike avatars that can be tailored to specific brand identities or creative needs. However, this depth of customization requires more time and a learning curve, making it better suited for users comfortable with detailed editing and AI tools. Its ideal user is a content creator or marketer who values precision and visual quality over speed and simplicity. Hedra AI supports multiple export formats, enabling seamless integration into various media projects, but it may not be the best fit for quick, on-the-fly avatar creation. HeyGen is an AI avatar generator focused on accessibility and speed. It offers a streamlined interface that lets users create avatars quickly without technical expertise. HeyGen uses AI to generate avatars based on simple inputs, making it ideal for marketers, educators, or social media creators who need fast results. The platform supports a variety of preset styles and templates, allowing users to produce engaging avatars for videos, live streams, or virtual presentations with minimal setup. While HeyGen's avatars may not have the same level of fine detail or customization as Hedra AI, its strength is in efficiency and ease of use. Limitations include less control over avatar nuances and fewer options for advanced customization. HeyGen's ideal user is someone prioritizing speed and simplicity, such as small business owners or educators who want to add AI avatars to their content quickly without investing time in detailed design. Comparing Hedra AI and HeyGen reveals a trade-off between customization and convenience. Hedra AI excels in creating detailed, realistic avatars tailored to specific needs, making it perfect for high-quality branding or professional content. However, it requires more time and familiarity with AI tools. HeyGen, on the other hand, offers fast avatar creation with an intuitive interface, ideal for users who need quick results without complex adjustments. For example, a marketing team producing a polished campaign might prefer Hedra AI, while a teacher creating engaging lesson videos would benefit from HeyGen's simplicity. Both platforms support video integration, but Hedra AI provides more control over avatar expressions and movements. Choosing between them depends on whether you prioritize advanced customization or rapid user-friendly avatar generation. Choose Hedra AI if you need detailed avatar customization and high realism for professional or brand-focused content creation with advanced control. Opt for HeyGen if speed and ease of use matter most, especially for quick content or educational purposes. Both tools excel in different areas, so select based on your priorities to enhance your AI avatar experience effectively.